are delivered and rescued, you forget about the Creator. Next time, He won't help you if you're in trouble. He won't play no game with the Creator. We can play game with one another, but the Creator is our Creator. He knows what is in our hearts. So Imam Tamim al-Dari, one of the Sahabas who narrated this hadith from our Prophet ﷺ direct, he said, I was a Christian before, but when I embraced Islam, I have come to the realization that what Prophet ﷺ said is true, that whosoever takes this religion, he will be promoted, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bless him in his life. So Tamim al-Dari said, some of my Muslims and some of my relatives and siblings, some of them embrace Islam. So those who embrace Islam, Tamim al-Dari said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed them along with me. And He gave us what we want through Islam. But those among my family that did not embrace Islam, Allah left them in their wretchedness and also discomfort of life. So He's saying to us, Muslims, the message of Tamim al-Dari indirect to us is that whether being in America, whether being in Europe, whether being in the Middle East, wherever you may be, as long as you know La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, don't act like the country where you're living in, you don't have no freedom to do no. Even the freedom that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us in the United States of America concerning our deen, some even Muslim land, they don't have it. We have some land, if you pray Fajr time or Fajr 5 times a week, you will be suspect. Some Muslim land, you can't even leave your beard. Here, free of charge. No government tell you why. Some Muslim land, Muslim wives, they can put complete hijab. We're not talking about niqab, but in the United States, our wives wearing niqab, even driving buses for the government. We get freedom here, so we ask Allah to bless us in the United States and give us peace to practice our religion and let others to see the beauty of it.